Priya and Arav visit a huge fair. There are rides, games, food stalls, balloons, and so many people everywhere. But after entering, Priya suddenly says, I'm thirsty. And Arav wants to buy a balloon for his little sister. But where should they go? How will they find the correct place? That's when they look at the fair map. Let's look carefully at this map. A map helps us understand where different places are located. It helps us find places, choose the correct path, and know which way to turn. Without a map, we may walk in the wrong direction or take a longer route. Maps use small pictures called symbols. Each symbol stands for a real place. This symbol means giant wheel. This one means balloon seller. And this one shows drinking water. And this symbol shows the ticket counter. So before reading a map, we first understand the symbols carefully. Now let's understand the directions. These lines on the map show the paths that we can walk on. Suppose Riya is standing at the entrance and she is facing straight ahead. Now if she turns this way, that is left. And now if she turns this way, that is right. Now Riya says, I'm thirsty. So let's help her reach the drinking water stall. First we find where Riya is standing. She is near the entrance. Now look carefully at the map. Should she turn left or right? Let's trace the path slowly. First, she walks straight, then she takes a right turn, and there she reaches the drinking water stall. Maps also help us understand which places are near and which are far. Look at the entrance carefully. The drinking water stall or the ticket counter are very close to the entrance, but the giant wheel is much farther away. Now Arav says, I want to buy a balloon for my little sister. So how can he reach the balloon seller? Let's trace the path carefully. From the water stall, he walks straight. Then he turns left and keeps walking ahead until he reaches the balloon seller. Now here is something important. Left and right depend on which direction we are facing. If Arav turns around, his left and right also change. So while reading maps, we must carefully notice which way we are facing. Sometimes maps show more than one path. Now look carefully. There are two ways to reach the giant wheel. Which path is shorter? Yes, this one. The shorter path helps us reach faster. Maps help us choose better and quicker routes. Now let's answer a few questions together by looking at the map. Which place is nearest to the entrance? Yes, the ticket counter. Now look at the food stall. What is beside the food stall? Yes, there is a toy stall and a balloon seller. And which place is the farthest from the entrance? The giant wheel. Now suppose someone standing at the entrance asks you, how do I reach the giant wheel? We can guide them step by step. We can say, walk straight, turn left, and then keep moving ahead. And you will reach the giant wheel. So in this lesson, we learned how to read a fair map. Maps help us find places, understand directions, follow paths, and move from one place to another easily. Now, you are ready to explore any place using a map.